What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is my second haircut tutorial. My first one I dropped 2 weeks ago. If you haven't watched it yet, after this video is finished, you can go back and watch it. But I appreciate everybody who watched, who subscribed, who liked my video. All the support helps. I really appreciate it. But right here, I got my lever all the way closed on my clipper, and I'm sitting in that first guideline, and I'm going all the way around the head. Right here, I'm just cleaning up all the hair that's underneath that first guideline. And before this neck flip, I did repeat the same steps I'm doing now, but with the trimmer to get a closer cut. Right here, I got my one guard all the way closed, and I'm going with the grain, and I'm lowering down the hair. And it really don't matter when you do this step. You could have did it first, you could do it at the middle, or you could do it at the end. You want to make sure everything is all even and all the same length with that one guard. Don't be scared to keep going over the same areas. Now I got my lever all the way open, and I'm making my first guideline. And my guidelines are kind of big, and that's because I want to stretch this fade out. As y'all can see, his vertical bars are pretty long, so that gives me enough room to make my guidelines bigger and to stretch this fade out. And just in case anybody's wondering what a vertical bar is, it's the vertical part of his hairline. Now I got my lever all the way closed, and I'm gonna erase half of this guideline. So between the bottom line and the top line, I'm making it basically half the size that it is right now with my lever all the way closed. And with this step, you wanna flick out basically. You don't wanna basically set a harsh guideline there. You wanna make it easy for yourself to blend this out. Right here, open my lever halfway, and I'm blending that bottom line without passing that darkest line right there. So you want to get that bottom line out, but without touching or passing that darkest line that you see. Just trust the process. You can see that bottom line before I did my lever halfway, and now you can see it now after I did my lever halfway. And right here, I'm just detailing. I'm opening and closing my lever as I move up and down in the fade. All I can tell y'all is, as you go higher in the fade, you want to open that lever. And as you go lower in the fade, you want to close that lever. Right here, I got my one guard all the way closed, and I'm starting my second guideline. Right here, I got my half guard, and it's all the way open, and I'm trying to erase that very bottom line that you guys see. I usually go in with it halfway, but right here, I just close it to the 75% open mark, and then I'm gonna eventually close it to the halfway mark. Half guard halfway, usually get the line out, but sometimes you'll need to close it or even take off the guard and open the lever all the way just to get that bottom line out. But you'll get more experience and know what to do as you continue to cut and watch my videos. Right here, I got my 1.5 guard all the way closed, and I'm blending out that last line into the rest of the hair. Right here, we're not creating any more guidelines. We're just blending that last line into the rest of the hair at the top. And if you made it this far, make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. And just share this video with somebody else who you think it'll help. Right here, I got my 1 guard all the way open, and I'm just hitting that line. If the 1.5 all the way closed can't get it out, the next guard below that is the 1 guard all the way open. So it's kind of like picking up where it left off. So right here, I saw a slight line at the bottom of my fade. So I'm going with my no guard lever open, and I'm using the corners of my blade, attacking that line. Before this video ends, I just wanted to say that I got more videos on the way. I got about 5 tutorials waiting to be dropped. I just got to do the voiceover for them. And I also wanted to say that this channel isn't only going to be about barber videos. I'm also going to be doing videos about my faith, what I believe in, the Bible, Jesus Christ, just encouraging people just to follow the ways of God. And I actually encourage y'all to go watch my first video titled, Do You Really Love God? And that's one of the first videos I ever posted. So yeah, just go check that out.